Hi, I'm Peter Caughey and this is a 10-minute Qigong practice. So daily practice is really important to do something that activates your energy every day. And a 10-minute practice is a nice simple way you can do it in the morning, you can do it at night. And this is a nice way to connect with your energy of your body and to just tonify your energy in the body and to bring about health and longevity to yourself. If you ever want to know, and people ask me about letting go, the easiest way to let go is physically first. It's easy to let go physically than it is to let go mentally, and definitely as it is to let spiritually go. So physical is a good way to start, and Qigong is a great doorway into helping you to learn how to let go. Enjoy the exercises. This is the traditional bow. We start with our feet together with our toes facing off towards the northwest and northeast. Yep. You start with your hands on the side of your body, with your thumbs facing backwards. You roll back onto your thumbs, and the thumbs are still touching my thighs. And then I bring the left hand underneath, right hand on top, and then I bring the two thumbs together. Cool. You make a fist with your right hand, curl with your left, and then bring it towards your physical body, towards your heart, and then bringing the energy down to your lower dantian, which is your physical center. Cheers. This is a simple warm-up exercise from the Chen style Taiji. This exercise activates the connection between your kidneys and your lungs. So the hand comes around and you're turning from your hips. And as you do, your hand comes around, touches you on your lung, and the other hand goes to the back and hits you on the kidneys. Yep. Then you roll around and you go to the other side, and you're turning, doing it from side to side. You're activating the kidneys in the back and the lungs in the front, and you're connecting the lungs and the kidneys at the same time. Yep. And you're moving your hips, and your hips are what's moving your arms. Yep. Very good. It's a great exercise. You feel really warm after doing this. It warms you up. Activates all the meridians, gets the body moving, the meridians in your arms and your legs. This is Kufa, the arms. This exercise comes out of the Long Life Qigong system. And you start with it, you're tapping your hands, and the Kufa is a twine-out technique where you're slapping your arms and you slap down the inside. So the yin meridians come down the inside and the yang meridians come up the outside. And the yin meridians that come down your arms is the heart, the pericardium and the lungs, and what goes up the outside is your small intestine, your Sanjiao, and your large intestine. And we do this on both sides, and what we're doing is activating the meridians inside the body. It's a great exercise. There's exercise where you can do the whole body like this, but this is a good one to activate all the meridians in the arms. Yep. And we're going to try the other side. Remember, it comes up the top of the arms, because that's the direction the meridians travel, and then down the inside of the arms. Up the small intestine, Sanjiao, and large intestine, down the lungs, down the pericardium, down the heart. Good exercise to wake up the body in the morning. We're going to do it one more time. This is the fire element exercise from the 5-element Qigong. We start from the waist. At the waist turns. As the waist turns, the hands come up. And you're looking under the arm, and you push your hand forward. Then you come back round to the front. You bring the hand above the shoulder. You don't touch the shoulder. It runs down the outside, which is tracking down the heart meridian. Then you turn to the side, and you're looking under the arm. So if I turn around and looking under the arm like this, and the hand's like that, one arm like that. Then I'm pushing the hand forward as I turn my pelvis. Then I turn my hips back to the front. And I run my energy down the outside, which is a small intestine, and the heart channel down the outside of my arms. The hands come up, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. There's 4-part breath pattern for this exercise. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and then breathing out. Breathing in breathing out. Breathing in and out. Then one more each side. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathe in. This exercise is called rowing the boat in the middle of the lake. It's from the Taiji Qigong system. This exercise is really good for your spleen and your stomach. So we start with the hands facing down. You lower yourself down, keep your pelvis tucked forward, you turn your palms to the front. You breathe in as it comes up the back. Big circle. And then the hands come down the front, breathing out, and you lower yourself down. Keep your back nice and straight, don't stick your bottom out. Turn to the front, palms to the front, breathing in. Long breath in. And then a long breath out. Breathe in and out through your nose. Breathing in. And breathing out. So notice also my arms aren't straight. So when you're coming down, the arms aren't straight. They've got a slight bend in the arms. And same when they go into the back, the arms have got a slight bend all the time. So there's no pressure on your elbows. And then come down the front. Breathing in, and then breathing out. We'll do one more. Breathing in, and breathing out. This exercise is called pushing clouds, and it's from the Long Life Qigong system. This exercise is good for the lungs and the large intestine, also good for the kidneys. Quite simple exercise. So start with your hands face to the ground. You bring the hands up to your lungs, and then you push them forward. And as you push it forward, you bend your knees and you lower yourself down. Then you lower your hands as you stand up. And then you push them forward and you lower yourself down again. So you breathe in as the hands come down, and you keep breathing as they come up, and you breathe out as they go forward. Breathe in and out through your nose, breathing in, breathing out. Long, slow in breath, long, slow out breath. Notice the arms aren't straight, the arms are still bent when they come to the front as well. Last one. This is called the crane flies south for the winter. This is of the Long Life Qigong system as well. It's an exercise where you get to stand on one leg, so it's important to have the balance from one leg, and this is the exercise that helps that. So we're going to move to the right side first. So I'm going to mirror you. The hands come up. The foot goes down. Swap the other side. The hands come up. They touch at the top. The hands come down. They cross over at the bottom, and they come up on the other foot. Comes down. Hands come to the top. Now it's the inside of your hand. You see the inside of my hands are touching. That part's touching. Yep, not the hand, the inside. Hands come down. Come up the other side. Comes down. So you breathe in when you come up. Breathe out. Breathe in. 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 And breathe out. This exercise is called Painting a Rainbow in the Sky, and it's from the Taiji Qigong system. You start with your palms facing the ground, and you turn your palms up. You bring the energy up through your body. You get to your eyes, you turn the hands over, and you push towards the sky. Then you move your weight to the right side, and you bring your hand down looking towards the left side. This hand's above the head, the palms facing up, the other hand's facing out. Comes up, and it goes to the other side. And there's a different variations of way you can do this, but this one we're showing you with the palms out. Take a breath in, and then breathe out. Breathing in, breathing out. And you feel the stretch in your side of your body. You stretch like a banana. Place that way with the hands facing directly to the side. Don't have a straight arm, have it slightly bent. Comes up, breathing in. Change over at the top for the breath and breathe out on the way down. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in. Last one. Breathing out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, bring the hands to the top. Bring your hands down, turn them over to your eyes, return the chi back to your lower dantian. This is the closing bow. Bring your feet together. Your feet facing off towards the northwest and the northeast. Bring your hands on the side of your body. With your thumbs facing backwards, roll back onto your thumbs so the thumbs are still touching your thighs. Then you bring your hands around, left hand underneath, right hand on top. Two thumbs together. And then go. Make a fist with your left hand and curl with your right. Open your hands and bring it towards your heart. And then return the chi to the lower dantian. The bell is a symbology of reverence. It's a symbology of gratitude for the energy and for the generations of people who have been doing these exercises, and also for the people who created these exercises thousands of years ago, and we get the benefit from today. Cheers.